chisa. Chisa chamisa chisa. Chisa chamisa chisa. Chisa Alliance chisa. Chisa Alliance chisa. Tinokutendai maZimbabweans. Muri yechinja, muri yeMDC Alliance. Taneta nekubirwa ma-elections. Tichiwina ma-elections. Saka mwaka uno, this time around, this season, this cold season, we are saying history will not repeat itself. Mu election yakaitwa musi wa 11 March 2002, the MDC led by Morgan Tsvangirai won by 84%. But they stole it from us. The Kampepe report yakatumirwa na President Mbeki, which has been released by the Constitutional Court of South Africa, has confirmed that we won that election. Mu election year 2008, we won that election by 72%. Inindika zvitaura ndikaendeswa kuchikurupi. Tikaenda kumacourts, but hapana chakabuda. Mu election year 30 July 2013, the MDC won by 74%. But ZANU stole that election. So we are not going to allow the election of the 30th of July 2018 to be stolen again. That's why Timuma Street, we are prepared to die for this cause. We are prepared to be in prison for this cause. We are prepared to die 10 times. Kune nyika dzakafanana na South Africa, nana India, nana America. Kuneita uncertainty, but uncertainty yacho is on the result. It's outcome uncertainty. But in Zimbabwe, we need a procedural uncertainty, not outcome uncertainty. If you have nothing to hide, ballot paper what is the fuss all about? If you have nothing to hide, the biometric voters roll, in the biometric features, including our ugly faces, what do you have to hide? So this time around, we are sending a message to ZANU-PF. We are sending a message to Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa. Masamba Achinja. No going back. We are prepared to die for this cause. Zikomo Kwambiri. Thank you.